guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. Today we are going to continue our classes for water supply. So as you can see, this is a overhead water tank and this is for the ground floor water supply for domestic water supply pipeline. Domestic water supply pipe. Now we will do the same for this toilet also, and then we will do it for this ground or first floor, both the toilets. After that we will do the pipe sizing for all. Okay, so one you can see here for this ground floor other toilet, we will take this pipe from this shaft. So this need to be moved because this is coming in front of this, so we need to move this one, and we'll change the routing little bit. Move this side, keep it here. Okay, now take the poly line from this pipe, or okay, take poly line from this pipe to this pipe. Okay, simply extend this one. Now use fillet command, radius is 0, enter this. Okay, now use the match property. So type MA, select the source object and destination object. Simply select this line, go to this property and check this width is showing here. Global width you should keep 25. Okay, enter. So both lines looks equal. Okay, now what we will do, we will take one more line, simply copy this one. First copy this riser, okay, from this center, okay, and place it here. Okay, you can move little bit, you do not put near to the wall, you can place it here. Use move command, place it here. Okay, now take one line from this point, the same pipe, okay, and like this, and go to this or erase this one. Use poly line, take this pipe from this shaft, okay, and go this way and connect it here. Okay, and now one more valve need to be placed here, so simply copy this valve and place it here. Okay, simply trim this center line, use TR trim command and trim this one. So this pipe will go down for this second toilet. So what you will do, simply copy, use copy command and simply copy this shaft from this riser from this corner. Okay, and you can place on the first floor also. Okay, you can place it here also, as well as you can place at ground floor also. Okay, here also. And now copy this riser also. Copy this riser also. Now copy from this point. Okay, and place it here on the first floor, this point. Okay, here. So this riser for the first floor, and this for this first floor other toilet. Okay, so now this riser is already copied here in the ground floor, this other toilet. Now we will take the line from here. Okay, so just decide the routing. So you can see here this is your 3 laboratories. Okay, and here is one sink. So what you will do, simply first copy these pictures, okay, from here, and place to all this sink. This laboratory need hot and cold water, so we cannot put like this. We need to put two taps, okay, one for hot water and one for cold water. We place it like this, okay. This is cold water, okay, and simply copy this, place it here, one more here. Okay, now one more you need to place it here. Simply rotate this one, use rotate command. Like this, okay. So this is for the domestic hot water, and this will be the cold water. Okay, and for this also you need to copy this hand spray, hand faucet. So copy from here and place to right side of each toilet. Okay, so you copy from here. Okay, so this is your hand spray. Okay, now we will do the piping. This also you need to move like this. You need to supply the hot and cold water here also. So you need to move this, use move command and simply move this from here to here, okay, because we are going to place the hot water also. This one also move it here, okay. Simply use fillet command. So fillet and radius is 0, this point to this point. And also you need to move this. So what you will do, simply use move command, okay, and from here you have to simply move this and place it here, okay, and simply extend this one, okay. So for this point is for the hot water, okay. So after that we will place. So first you have to do this piping for this other toilet. So your pipe will go through this way. Use polyline command and simply draw the line like this. And this pipe will run on the wall. So simply draw like this. Okay, and simply connect this one. And you can use fillet command, radius is 0, this to this, okay. Now use again polyline from this point to simply run the pipe like this, okay, and from this point to connect this pipe. Now use again fillet, radius is 0, and simply fill this one, okay. Now connect all this hand spray. Simply connect all the hand spray to this main pipe, okay. This is for the domestic water hand spray. So you need to connect all these to this main line, okay. Now we need to supply the water line for this for the flushing also. So simply connect like this, okay, draw like this, connect here, okay. Simply use TR double enter and now copy this same and place to each WC, okay, here and then here and here. So this is for the flush water, okay. And the final and the last one is for this toilet. So for this one, what you will do, you can take the line this way, take the line this way also, or take like this only. Okay, you can take from this way also. Okay, I'm going to take like this and simply connect this from here to here. Simply use TR double enter, trim this extra line. Okay, use polyline command again from here to here, connect all this. Okay, and now use TR double enter to trim the extra line. So this is the domestic water supply for the ground floor. Similarly, we have to do it for the first floor as well as, and then finally we have to do the pipe sizing as per these fixtures. Okay, then we will do this for the hot water supply. Okay, so you have to create the arrow also. We have to place arrow. So create one arrow, use polyline command like this, and width is 0. So starting width is 0 and then ending width is 100 mm. Okay, and then again width you need to decrease, make it 85, again 85, like this. So this is your arrow. It will reduce little bit like this. Okay, so this arrow we are using for the water supply. Okay, and it will do, simply select this and change the color, make it white. Okay, now we have to rotate this one. Okay, now simply copy this, simply copy this one, place it here, the pipe. Okay, now copy this, move this way. This is using for the direction, showing the direction only. Okay, so water is going through this way. So now rotate this and move, place it here. Okay, copy this again like this. This is just showing the direction. Okay, again copy from here and place it in this line, move. Okay, now again copy this one and place it one over here. So this is your direction, and one more copy from here and show to this direction also, and now use mirror command just to mirror this. Yes. Okay, so this is your direction already showing. Okay, and now we have to copy this also for from here and place it on this pipe also. Okay, again copy, place it here. Now again copy from here and place it here, also here. Now mirror this one, so type mi, first point, second point. Yes, use move command and move, place it here. Erase this one, simply select and erase, and then copy, use copy command. Okay, and simply copy like this, and copy this also from here. Okay, so for this direction. Okay, move this one little bit this side. Now use copy command. Okay, here. So this coming from this way, also going to this side. So what you will do, simply copy this one, place it here, and then rotate this and move this from this point to this point. Okay, now copy this again. Okay, this time we need to rotate this and move this one, move and place it here. Okay, so this is your direction of water supply. So similarly we have to copy this one and go to this roof. Okay, and place it here. Rotate this like this and use move command. Select this point and place it here. You can copy this one, place it here. Okay, then copy again down, then rotate this, use rotate command and move this side. Okay, use move command, select this point and place it here. Okay, also this one you need to copy this and rotate this one. Now use move command and just select this point and place it here. Okay, so this is how your water supply looks like. Simply copy this one. Okay, and this side. So this is your water supply for the ground floor, and we will complete this for the first floor in the next tutorial. So guys, please keep watching my channel, and if you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching my videos, and we will meet in the next tutorial guys. So don't forget to watch my next tutorial. So thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. Bye.